Okay, this is the top of the ribbon box with the gears in it. I replaced all the strings in it that were rotted out. Now this operates when the top is on permanently. There's a gear in the center of it, and that gear meshes with these. And when you turn it by the instructions, it will lift the inside panel right here up to the top. That's the first operation. That's all been replaced. This is the side panel, and it's the same on both sides. And here the strings are coming from the top that we, where the gears are, down to here, which is attached to the inside panel. So when the gears are turned in the proper direction, these strings pull the bottom panel up. As I say, it's the same thing on the other side, and they are balanced so the panel comes up evenly. The other thing that this has in it is this little button here, which is controlled, and if you read the instructions, by the lever in the legs. When you pull that lever, let me turn this around this way. Now the lever's not in because that's on the bottom side. But when you pull that lever, this is when the panel is in the up position, but I can show it to you. When you pull that lever, now remember, the panel is going to be up at that time. When you pull that lever, this button will, here I am. This button will push that. Oh, yeah. When it's in the right position, when it's the next operation, this button will push that panel, and the accordion sides on that will just open slightly. And what that does is it unlocks the top, and it happens simultaneously on both ends, so that when you turn the gear in the opposite direction, the panel will lower down to the bottom. So that's that pin right there that will push that and unlock the top. Okay, this is a view of the bottom mechanism. And the springs were originally rubber bands. They were all rotted out, so I replaced and put a spring in. So now this will last. It will always work. The strings were all rotted out also and were all broken, so I fixed that. There are two little spots right here and right here where the little pedestals are missing that the bottom screws into, and I'm going to replace those so that this will have all the screws in it. Now, as I was showing you on the side, that button that moves in and out like that, this is what unlocks the top. When you press this, of course the bottom will be on and this will stay there then. But when you press this, well, I'm going to take this off, but I'll put that there for now. But when the bottom's on, that stays, and that's how you control it from here. But anyway, when you press this, you can see that unlocks the top. And you can see where it's moving this way, and it's doing that, and that's pushing those pins that I showed you in, and it's unlocking the top. So that is the bottom work that we did on it. Okay, this is the Slunegger cut and restored ribbon, and I'm just going to perform it because the previous video showed all the workings of it. So you're going to open it up, show the inside, take the back off, like so. Then you have a white ribbon, and I'm going to go ahead and cut these ribbons and just do it the way it would be performed. So you'll have to replace the ribbons when you get this. So you're going to place the ribbon through the box. Get on this side. And you're best off just folding it like that and pushing it in. Okay, now the spectators are going to sign their name on the end of each end of the ribbon. Okay, so now the ribbon is in the box. You're going to close the door and close this door and place the back panel on. And now you're going to take it and show the front, or the back rather, and the front, like that. You want to end up with the back toward you. Oops, I had it right first. Okay. So you'll take the back off first. And when you do that, you're going to set the two moving panels inside. And you're going to open up the front door, like so. Now the ribbon is in there. Now we're going to cut the ribbon. This piece of the ribbon gets cut out. This piece gets burnt or vanished somehow, okay? And we're going to take a section of blue ribbon and place it in the box. Okay. Now, you're going to close it. Like that. And close that. And that. Okay, and then you're going to turn it around again. Show all sides. And when you open it, the ribbon, the blue ribbon is now attached to the two white ribbons. Okay? So now we're going to close it again. Close it here. And once again, take it this side. I want to open that up, okay. It should be closed. This time, we're going to show it again. Back, front. Open the back up. Open the front up. And the ribbon's restored, and the blue one is gone, and this now can be going through. And that's the Slunegger Ribbon Box.